Welcome to my video. I'm Jana Martincová, but you can call me Jane. I'm an enthusiastic medical educator from the Czech Republic. To be perfectly honest, I didn't think my first video in English would be about this topic, but it's pretty current and we can't avoid it anywhere. Oh, sorry. While we cannot avoid the topic, we can do everything we are able to avoid coronavirus itself. How? There are many rules and each of us should be thinking about the ones which are most important for ourselves and especially the ones which are most effective, relatively practical and easy to follow. For me, there are 5 main areas. I'm sure some of them can also be useful for you. Number 1. Preventive social behavior. A. No unnecessary meetings. Remember that we not only meet the person we are physically with, but at the same time all their contacts from the past few days and their microbes as well. B. Social distancing. I don't really kiss or touch anybody as I just used to. If you are speaking to someone, it is better to be at a distance of 2 or 3 meters and keep your mouth directed away from the other person, not face to face. The same applies if you are passing people in the countryside. If using a pavement, walk on its right side. If the road, stay on the left. In the UK, on the right. Droplet protection. I use a face mask. It definitely helps. Each person splutters are literally releasing droplets from their mouths, not only when sneezing or coughing, but also while laughing, singing or speaking. And there is plenty of bacteria in the droplets. Droplets must not get into your nose, mouth or eyes, as that way you can get infected, so it is good to wear glasses instead of contact lenses. I behave as if everybody was infected. D. I try to avoid public transport. I travel by car, bike or simply walk. Number 2. Hygiene. A. I wash my hands every time I come home and after coming into contact with potentially infected things, money and so on. I take extra care to wash the spaces between my fingers and behind my nails. B. I try not to touch my face with unwashed fingers. C. I try to keep my nails as short as possible. D. I wash each piece of fruit before eating it, even citrus, fruit and kiwis. The only fruit you don't need to wash is bananas. E. I don't eat anything in my car, only at home and always after washing my hands. Number 3. Using disinfection. After I come back home, I always clean my mobile phone with disinfection because I used it both outside and inside, sometimes even at the dining table. From time to time, I also clean the steering wheel and gear stick in my car with disinfection. Once in a while also the computer keyboard, mouse, door handles and my purse. B. I also use spray disinfection on my face mask if it has been worn for just a short time. For masks worn longer, it is safe to wash or boil them and iron them afterwards. Number 4. Improving immunity. I do some sport every day, usually 7 or 10 kilometers running or 20 kilometers inline skating. Sport is the most useful and efficient immunity enhancer. I try to eat food full of antioxidants, fruit and vegetables. I also use dietary supplements such as vitamin C, D, beta-glucans and zinc. It is possible to also add selenium for better immunity, also vitamin B, which protects you against ticks, and it's useful for many other things, and omega-3 acids for a sharper mind. D. I try to sleep at least 7 hours a day. And E. I always keep myself in a positive frame of mind. Number 5. And above all, think positively and logically. I try to think logically about the rules and my present way of life to protect me and my family, but at the same time not to be stressed by the current situation. I keep my mind away from panic and distance myself from the social media sites which are encouraging it. I'm trying to overcome this period by adopting a proactive approach and by using all my creativity. These are my rules for staying healthy. I can't be 100% certain that I will not get sick. Maybe I've already had the disease, but I'm sure that I can overcome it better by following these easy rules. And to finish, a little recap. You can minimize infection by following these useful rules. Number 1. Preventive social behavior. No unnecessary meetings. Maintain social distancing. Droplet protection. Use a face mask. Try to avoid public transport. Number 2. Hygiene. Washing your hands, not touching the face with unwashed fingers, nails as short as possible, washing fruit and vegetables, no eating in the car. Number 3. Using disinfection. On my mobile phone, on my mask, on other things. Number 4. Improving immunity. Sport, food with antioxidants, dietary supplements, vitamin C, D, beta-glucans and zinc. Good sleep, good frame of mind. And number 5, above all, positive and logical thinking. Don't panic. A positive and creative approach. That's all for today. Stay alive and healthy. I wish you good luck and a beautiful and happy spring. Don't forget to tell us about your favorite routine to stay healthy. Thank you for your attention and bye for now.